Welcome to the spoken tutorial on loops in C and C++. In this tutorial, we will learn for loop, while loop, and do while loop. We will do this with the help of some examples. We will also see some common errors and their solutions. To record this tutorial, I am using Ubuntu operating system version 11.04, GCC and G++ compiler version 4.6.1 on Ubuntu. Let us start with the introduction to loops. Loops are used to execute a group of instructions repeatedly. Depending on the purpose, they are divided into three types: while loop, do while loop, and for loop. Let us start with the while loop first. A while loop tests the condition in the beginning. The structure is while condition within the brackets statement block. Now move on to do while loop. A do-while loop is executed at least once before the condition could be validated. The structure is do within the brackets statement block, after the brackets the while condition. You can see that the condition is checked at the end. Now let us see an example on while loop and do-while loop. I have already typed the code on the editor. Let me open it. Note that our file name is while.c. Today, we are going to learn addition of first 10 numbers using while loop. Let me explain the code now. This is our header file. Inside the main function, we have declared two integer variables x and y and initialized to 0. This is our while loop. The condition of the while loop is x is less than or equal to 10. Here, the value of x is added to the value of y. The value obtained after the addition is stored in y. Then we print the value of y. Here, x is incremented. That means the variable x is increased by 1. And this is our return statement. Now let us execute the program. Please open the terminal window by pressing Ctrl, Alt and T keys simultaneously on your keyboard. Type gcc space while.c space -o space while. Press enter. Type /while. Press enter. The output is displayed. Now let us see the working of while loop. Let me resize the windows. Here, first the value of x and y is 0. This is our while condition. Here we check whether x is less than or equal to 10, which means the values of x will be from 0 to 10. Then we add y plus x, that is 0 plus 0. We get 0. We print the value of y. Here we get 0. Then x is incremented, which means now the value of x will be 1. Then we will check the condition again. 1 is less than or equal to 10. If the condition is true, then we will add the values. Y, that is 0, plus x, that is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. We print the value as 1. Again x is incremented. Now the value of x is 2. We check the condition again. 2 is less than or equal to 10. If the condition is true, then we will add the values, that is 1 plus 2, which will give 3. We print the value as 3. Like this, it will go on up to x is less than or equal to 10. Now we will see the same program using do while loop. Here is our program. Note that our file name is do-while.c. This part is already explained in the previous program, so let us move on to our do while loop. Here, first the body of the loop will be executed and then the condition is checked. The value of x is added to the value of y and the value obtained after the addition is stored in y. The logic is same as in while program. Now let us execute the program. Come back to our terminal. type gcc space do hyphen while dot c space hyphen o space do. Press enter. Type dot slash do. Press enter. You can see that the output is similar to our while program. Now let us see the working of do while loop. Let me resize the windows. Here the value of x and y is 0. We add those values, then we will get 0. Now the value of y is 0. We print the value as 0. Then x is incremented by 1, which means now the value of x is 1. Then the condition will be checked. You can see that the body of the loop is executed first. Anyhow, if the condition is false, then also we will get a value that is 0. Now here we will check whether 1 is less than or equal to 10. The condition is true. Again we will add the values. Now 0 plus 1. Then we print the value of y as 1. Again x will be incremented. Now the value of x is 2. Then we check 2 is less than or equal to 10. We will go back here. Then we will add the values. 1 plus 2 is 3. We print the value of y as 3. Like this, the conditions will be checked till the value of x will be less than or equal to 10. And this is our return statement. Note that here the while condition ends with a semicolon. In while loop, the condition does not end with a semicolon. Now let us see how to execute these programs in C++. This is our while program in C++. The logic and implementation are same as in our C program. There are a few changes like the header file as iostream in place of stdio.h. We have included the using statement here using namespace std, and here we have used the cout function in place of printf function. The structure of while loop is same as in our C program. Let us execute the program. Come back to our terminal. Let me clear the prompt. To execute, type g++ space while.cpp space -o space while1. Press enter. Type ./while1. Press enter. You can see that the output is similar to our while program in C. Now let us see the do while program in C++. Come back to our text editor. Here also there are similar changes like the header file, the using statement and the cout function. Rest of the things are similar. Let us execute the program. Come back to our terminal. Type g++ space do -while.cpp space -o space do1. Press enter. Type ./do1. Press enter. We can see that the output is similar to our do while program in C. Now we will see some common errors and their solutions. Come back to our text editor. Suppose here I will not increment the value of x. Click on save. Let us see what happens. Come back to our terminal. Let me clear the prompt. Let us execute the program. Press the up arrow key twice. Again press the up arrow key. The output is displayed. You can see a number of zeros. This is because the loop does not have a terminating condition. It is known as infinite loop. Infinite loop can cause the system to become unresponsive. It causes the program to consume all the processor's time, but it can be terminated. Come back to our program. Let us fix the error. Type x++ and a semicolon. Click on save. Let us execute again. Come back to the terminal. Press the up arrow key. Yes, it is working. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. We will move back to our slides. Let us summarize. In this tutorial, we learned while loop, example, while x is less than or equal to 10, do while loop, example, do statement block, and the while condition at the end. As an assignment, write a program to print the following using for loop 0 to 9. The syntax for loop is for variable initialization, variable condition, and variable increment or decrement. And here will be the body of the loop. Watch the video available at the link shown below. It summarizes the Spoken Tutorial project. If you do not have good bandwidth, you can download and watch it. The Spoken Tutorial project team conducts workshops using Spoken Tutorials, gives certificates to those who pass an online test. For more details, please write to contact@spoken-tutorial.org. Spoken Tutorial project is a part of Talk to a Teacher project. It is supported by the National Mission on Education through ICT, MHRD, Government of India. More information on this mission is available at the link shown below. This script has been contributed by Dhaval Goyal. This is Ashwini Patil from IIT Bombay signing off. Thank you for joining.